So, day 2 of the hunt of my second Green Ninja. So, wala nang edit. Stitch na lang. Let's go. First pack natin. Grabe, no? Last July 1, si Green Ninja is around 6,000 lang. Ngayon, halos nasa 15k na. Grabe ba, diba? Mightyena, Heatran, and Ursaluna. Not bad. Ito yung day 2 natin. Uy, Dragapult ang ating. So guys, nawalan pala akong Facebook. So pa-add na lang yung aking mga bagong Facebook account. I mean isang Facebook account. Polgapon. Yan last pack. Hindi ko alam na-disable bigla. So hindi nyo na makikita yung luma kong account. Kaya yung 2009 nagawa. 15 years. After 15 years, nawala na. Kilowattrel and nothing. So this is the pool, another EX. So this is the second day of the hunt. Hindi naman second day, basta second attempt.